Hello. Today, let's talk about a nice comparison video special because there is the brand new Apple Watch Series 11 on the market, and there are other Apple Watches on the market too, like the Series 9. Is the upgrade worth it? Of course, or you can go continue walk with the Series 9. We will find out. In this video, we are comparing both generations across the most critical categories like design, battery life, performance, and most importantly, the new health features. Stick around and find out, is the upgrade truly worth your money, of course? Let's start with design and display. This is nice, eh? Design and display makes at first glance both watches look strangely similar, of course. But however, the Series 11 is slightly slimmer and lighter than its the predecessor. A small detail, but one of the noticeable improves comfort, of course. And the major difference is the display itself. The Series 11 features a thinner display bevel and another slight increase in the case size. It goes from 41 millimeter to 42 millimeter, or from 45 to 46. So it's a little bit larger, of course. This makes the screen look much more modern and offers a more viewing area. But good to know, of course, is your old bands from the Series 9 will fit on the Series 11 too. And a crucial upgrade in terms of durability. The Iron X glass on the Series 11 is, according to Apple, significantly more scratch resistant than the previous model. So then it's much more scratch resistant against the 9 too. But until now, all my Apple Watches, I'm wearing them only 1 or 2 years, or have scratches after this period. Okay, let's go to the next. Performance and connectivity. The power. The Series 9 ran on the S9 SiP chip, and the Series 11 comes with the S10 SiP chip. Apple suggests a slight performance boost there, especially for the neural engine for AI applications and faster Siri interactions. Both watches are extremely fast in daily use, so the difference is minimal. But the future proving definitely, of course, is the favors of this 11 version of it. The device's connectivity advantage is the big thing, because the cellular models of the Series 11 now support 5G. With the Series 9, relies on the 4G LTE. But if you do not need the mobile power, stay at the 9. This means the faster data transfer is compatible network for calls, streams, and app on the 11 much faster, but only in the mobile sector. One of the biggest selling points for the Series 11 is, of course, the battery life. Series 11 goes up to 24 hours. Series 9 up to 18 hours. That's 6 hours more. This is a game changer for anyone who wants to use their watch for sleep tracking overnight without constantly having to charge it during the day. The faster charging on the Series 11 is also a nice practical benefit, of course. Let's go to new health. That's really big. I think it's really big as a game changer. Yeah. The biggest innovations there, because the Series 9 already has the ECG, the blood oxygen, and the temperature sensing. The Series 11 adds 2 new major features in it. Hypertension notification or high blood pressure alert. While the watch doesn't measure exact blood pressure, it can flag irregularities and advise as to consult a doctor. A vital earlier warning system is really important, I think. And the second one is the enhanced sleep score and the sleep apnea notification. The watch analyzes our breathing patterns overnight and can be alerted as to potential signs of a sleep apnea, a feature that only true becomes practical with the extended battery life too. So in short, the Series 11 has become an even more comprehensive health tools. Oh, really good features. Let's go to conclusion and recommendations. The $1 million question, baby, is the upgrade from Series 9 to Series 11. Is it worth? Series 9 is still a fantastic smartwatch. If you own it and you are satisfied with the battery life, there's no urgent need to switch. However, the Series 11 is significantly improved. That elevates the entire package, of course. Health features, the alerts. So my recommendation is upgrade from Series 9 if the new features, especially 24-hour battery life and the advanced health trackers, are important for you. I think yes. And should upgrade. For new buyers, go direct to the Series 11. It's more future-proof and has a superior core specs too. Which watch are you using out there? Let me know it in the comment, please. And what do you think about an upgrade? Is it worth, or does it not have to be? I think yes. If you are wearing a 9, you should make an upgrade because of the health features. I think these are core, nice features which comes to us to make a better life with that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.